Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 19th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So the trend has been down on the pound dollar for sure. Yes, we have been going up, but the trend never changed. It never did break structure to the upside. It actually did make a 38% Fib bounce, so do not be surprised if it goes back into the direction of the main trend on these much higher time frames. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, the pound dollar has been very, very sideways. And technically, based on structure on these sort of time frames, it is still up because this is the most recent swing high, which makes this the most recent swing low. So a break of this structure right here is what would give me the confidence to really start looking for shorts at the end of every pullback, because that would pretty much tell me that the daily, weekly downtrend is back active. There is definitely a chance that this does make a higher low and push up to a higher Fibonacci level. So keep an eye on your structure. Technically, I would be recommending longs on this still. The only reason why I think it might go down and break structure is because of my US dollar analysis and the fact that the daily, weekly trend is down, and those higher time frame trends have to be your friend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.